Hey everyone, today I will guide you on how to fix the error. We can't reset your PC while it's running on battery power in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Why this error happens when resetting your PC, it consumes a lot of power. Microsoft wants to ensure no interruptions due to low battery. However, if your PC is already plugged in and the message still appears, you can bypass the error using Command Prompt. Open the search bar and type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, right-click anywhere inside the window to paste the copied command, then press Enter. After running the command, close the Command Prompt window. You should now be able to reset your PC without plugging in. Hope this helped fix your issue. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.